Hello, welcome to Amy Fit Over 40. We are going to do a vlog. So I've had some remarks that are like, still do your try-ons. We want to see try-ons. So I do have a full try-on channel. So you just have to get there. It is Amy's So Transparent. So it's AMYS_SO_transparent. Or if you just look up Amy's So Transparent, it pops up. It has like over, I think it's up to 123,000 subscribers now. So it pops up really fast when you search it in YouTube. So head over there. I will link it below as well. So don't get upset that this doesn't have try-ons on this channel. I have a full channel just dedicated just for that. So I'm definitely still doing it. I do it regularly. I have at least 1 or 2, usually a week up. So still doing that. This is just going to be more of a creator help channel and vlogging. I'm not saying I won't still do a try on once in a while here, but I don't know. That's not what this page is going to be as much of. So this will be for vlogging and helping other creators out. But if you're here and just want to hear me talk about that, you're more than welcome to stay on this channel too. But don't get upset if you don't see this stuff. Some of the comments are kind of mean because I wasn't doing try-ons here. So just head on over to the other channel. I don't want anyone upset. Okay, what else is going on? This is kind of a hectic time because it's summertime. So if you're a creator, I'm sure you feel this, especially if you're a creator with kiddos. The summertime is hectic because you have people around all the time. And I don't know if you're like me, but you travel. So the beginning of the summer was lovely and slower, but I started traveling last week, and it was fun because I do get a little bit of a time to just myself, and I can do way more content, but I have to like cram it all into the traveling time because I am just more conscientious of making my content that I do when I'm alone. So I did a bunch of content when I was traveling last week, and I will be traveling a lot more coming up. So I have travel plans. I have like 3 good size trips coming up, so that'll be fun, and I will get a lot of content in during that time. So, and then before the what do we say, the school season starts back up, and then I have a lot more time to myself, and I can plan on creating time again. So if you are in that situation, it's always fun juggling all that during the summer months. Sorry, I'm looking outside. I was hoping to get this when I'd had this beautiful light coming in my bay window here, but it's kind of clouding up, so I don't have the great light. I'm also looking at my little dachshund climbing up on all the wood piles I have out there. She looks like a little billy goat. All right, what else should we talk about? So I have that all coming up. So I will say, people ask me if I have a schedule for creating content. I have more of a rigid schedule probably during the September to, April, May months. In the summer, it's just like whenever I can get alone time, especially when I'm traveling, is when I get as much content made as I can, and I really make as much as I can so that I can spread it out. And sometimes when I don't have a trip planned, I will just do like a stay vacation and do a fun like weekend hotel getaway and do it then. So, and that's always fun too, is to find vacations, to find like really cool looking hotels in the area, maybe where you're at, where you live. I have people in my group, my Telegram group that I belong to, that one of them, Mia, I don't know if you follow Mia, she is on YouTube and has try-on channel. She's great. She pointed out that, say you don't want to stay in a hotel overnight, or you want like the daytime hours because you want the lighting to be good, which is hard to get if you have to check in at 3 and check out at, I don't know, 10. You don't get the lighting you want. she says a lot of them offer like daytime hours. You can book it for, you know, those hours that most people don't want the hotel. I had no idea that hotels even offer that, so you can look into that in your area too. Just get like a daytime pass to go make some content. So that's something to look into. Just some ideas, and it's always nice to get some fresh new, fresh new canvas to make content. Whether you're doing it for your Reels, TikToks, or your OnlyFans page. So, and a hotel room offers usually several different settings. So I usually get a room that'll have, obviously you're going to have your bed, but you'll have, usually I like to get one that has a really pretty bathroom. That's something I'm lacking in my house. I have a very old house, and that's one of the things we have not updated are the bathrooms. So I'd love to get one with a really pretty bathroom, and then usually you'll have a sitting area. And each hotel I liked is a little different. I've gotten some really cool ones like in the city with really high ceilings, and it looks like very, I don't know, some of them are just really different. That's the best part about it. Each one's kind of like a little bit different canvas. I mean, I'm not looking at going to like, and you could, but it's not like a, Motel 6 or Ramada Inn, or I don't know what those are called, Holiday Inn, where it's cookie cutter. I usually look at going to ones in my town, in my city anyway, that are kind of unique. And then some, this time of year, I can get with a pool and then get some pool content as well. So anyway, those are some content ideas that are fun. So people are like, well, I can't go on vacation, or I don't have vacations planned. And I'm like, just do a stay vacation. Book a hotel. If you can't even do one overnight, just book one for a day. Find one that'll do a day pass. And just get some fresh content in if you can. Or if you're like, I can't get away from my kids, see if you can get a babysitter and just get a day away. Anyway, that's all I got right now. If you have questions or you have ideas for content that you want me to do on my creator page, I really, really hope you will leave some comments. I know I kind of started this out sometimes with try-ons, so I'm not sure I have a lot of creators yet on here, but I hope I get some soon that have some good questions. And I also hope I get my link soon that I can put on here for creators that can use that to get into the program that I got in about, 7 or 9 months ago to help me get into the top 1% of creators and on OnlyFans, because I really struggled to get there and what to do and how to manage everything, because I had no idea how to do it all on my own. I really thought I needed like people and an agency to help me out and get me there, and I just needed direction and a group and support. And I found a community that helps me with that, and I hope I can get a link and get you some information to help you with that. All right, in the meantime, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will try to get these up. At least, I'm trying once a week. I can't always do it, but once a week, once every other week, at least a few times a month, that's my goal. You have a great day. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the page if you haven't. Bye.